Hi everyone. In this video I am going to discuss NMOS inverter. So this is the basic NMOS inverter. So which contains two transistors, one transistor in the pull down which is enhancement mode MOSFET, the other transistor in the pull up which is a depletion mode MOSFET whose gate and source are connected to each other. So VGS will become 0 so that this depletion MOSFET is always on. So previously we used to have the other types of pull-ups like resistor. In the place of depletion MOSFET, we used to have a resistive load, but resistors occupy a lot of space. So due to that, we are searching for some other alternate mechanisms like this depletion MOSFET. So this depletion MOSFET is having some advantages when compared to resistor pull-up because the drawback is overcome here. Space consuming drawback is overcome using the NMOS inverter. That is depletion MOSFET where gate and source is equal to 0 is used here. And some assumptions are drawn here like with no current drawn from the output, the current IDS for both the transistors must be equal. This transistor and this transistor are drawing the equal currents. And for depletion mode transistor, the gate is connected to source VGS equal to 0, so it is always on. And the characteristic curve VGS equal to 0 is considered. I will show the curve. So this is the curve VGS equal to 0, depletion MOSFET characteristic curve. So it is VGS depletion MOSFET curve is seen here. And these are all the family of enhancement MOSFET curves. We know enhancement MOSFET will work for gate voltage positive. VGS is 0.2 volts, 0.4 volts, 0.5 volts like this. Whenever we give gate voltage greater than threshold voltage, the NMOS begins to on. And it is to be given positive supply. Then only inversion layer will form and the electrons move from source to drain, IDS flows. All these are already discussed. So these are the family of curves. The superimposition can be seen here. So these curves and this depletion MOSFET curve both are superimposed. And we can see this is from 0 to VDD. These are for 0 to VDD is in this direction. That is for enhancement mode MOSFET. Whereas this is the 0 of the depletion mode MOSFET. So from this way, from this 0 onwards, depletion MOSFET curves are drawn. Whereas, so this is VDS, depletion MOSFET. Whereas 0 to VDD, these are VDS of enhancement MOSFET. These two will be superimposing on each other and we can see a midpoint called as a switching threshold that is at 0.5 VDD. So from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0, we'll have a middle point that is the switching threshold. So at that point, it can switch to 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So we can obtain the transfer characteristics by superimposing the VGS equal to 0 depletion mode curve on the family of curves of the enhancement mode MOSFET. And the important point to be noted is the maximum voltage across enhancement mode device is minimum voltage across the depletion mode transistor and vice versa. So the point of intersection can be seen that inverse point, switching inverse point. And whenever Vin is equal to VGS, whenever we give Vin is equal to VGS of the pull down transistor, whenever we give this input voltage that is exceeding the threshold voltage of this transistor, the current begins to flow. So the output voltage, whenever this transistor is on, the output voltage thus decreases. Previously when Vin is equal to 0, this is on. So output voltage will be logic high. Whenever Vin is greater than the threshold voltage, then this transistor begins to on and our output voltage will be definitely less. That is the basic inverter. When Vin is 0, output 1, and Vin is 1, output 0. And the output voltage decreases whenever Vin is greater than threshold voltage. And these two transistors will be, suppose one is in resistive region, the other will be in the saturation region. So saturation region means which will not conduct, which though it conducts, it will have large voltage drop across the drain and source. Whichever is perfectly conducting, that will have low voltage drop between the drain and source, that will be in the resistive region. And we can see this curve which indicates the switching threshold point. This is the switching threshold point, V inverse 0.5 VDD, that gets shifted. So that point can be shifting to above or below this depending on the pull up by pull down ratio. So this inverse point, V inverse point, gets shifted to above or below depending on the pull up by pull down ratio. So ZPU by ZPD. So Z is nothing but L by W. L is nothing but length, W is nothing but the width. So these are the NMOS inverter transfer characteristics. Hope you all understood. Thank you one and all.